Hi, good morning, everyone. Do you want IT jobs, internship, and real coding skills, but don't know where to start? If you are a student, fresher, or a self-learner who want to build a career in IT, this channel is for you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Passion Coding. And on this channel, we will focus on IT jobs, coding, and web development skills that actually matters in today's market. On this channel, you will get regular updates about IT, job opportunities, internships for freshers and students, and guidance for students, and latest tech trends and web development skills. Apart from that, we will share coding challenges and some of the tutorials related to front-end and as well as backend and practice guidance to build real-world projects. The channel is not for theory. We will do practical, focusing on real skill and real growth. This channel is specially created for college students, fresh graduates, job seekers, self-taught developers, anyone who want to enter the IT field. Whether you are learning Java, JavaScript, web development, or IT technologies, you will find useful content here. My goal is simple: to help you stay updated, to help you improve your coding skills, and to help you prepare for IT jobs step by step. All updates will be quick, clear, and beginner friendly. I believe consistency is a key to success in IT. That's why I will be uploading videos regularly so that you never miss an important opportunity or skills. If you are serious about your IT career, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and start learning. Let's grow together in the IT journey. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Passion Coding. See you in the next video.